Let it bump though. Uh-huh.
Hi, my name is Fasial, and I'm going to be talking about the Young Offenders Act, which is of 1984. The replacement of the Juvenile Delinquents Act by the Young Offenders Act, which in short form is the YOA, in 1984, was intended to provide a more uniform youth justice system across Canada. Under the old law, the age limits for juvenile delinquents varied from province to province. Under the YOA, there was a national minimum age of 12 and a maximum age of 18 for young offenders. In addition, it outlined a number of special procedures to be used in the criminal prosecution of youths. The Young Offenders Act advocated the following concepts. Young persons should be held accountable and responsible for their behavior, though not to the same degree as adults. Young persons who commit offenses require supervision, discipline, and control. Yet they also have special needs that require guidance and assistance, and young persons have rights and freedoms, including those stated in the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, and young persons should have a special guarantee of their rights and freedoms. These principles have resulted in certain practical guarantees. The concept of proportional sentences now apply to young offenders. Sentences also had to be of a fixed length and be specified by a judge when the sentence was handed down. Sentences range from an absolute discharge to a maximum length of 5 years. Within this time frame, judges could order probation or secure or open custody for specified lengths of time. Furthermore, only youths aged 12 to 17 fell under the jurisdiction of the court. Young offenders were also guaranteed access to lawyers during court proceedings and during instances of police contact, and judges could not place youths under the care of child welfare authorities or treatment centers without consent of the young person. The philosophy of the Young Offenders Act was to hold young offenders more accountable for their illegal behavior while still recognizing that they should not generally be held as accountable and not as adult offenders because they are less mature and dependent on others. While proceedings became more formal than under the earlier Juvenile Delinquents Act, they were still somewhat less formal than an adult court. The Act specifies that a young person charged with an offense has an absolute right to retain and instruct counsel without delay at any stage of the proceedings. Both the arresting officer and the court judge before whom the young person is appearing must inform the young person of his right to counsel. That was my talk of the Young Offenders Act. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.